Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Demopolis local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need to hire a cheap Demopolis moving company? 3 Movers is not only affordable, but also the best in the business. We provide the right local and long-distance moving services for any type of move. Whether you're a student moving a dorm room, a family moving a home, or a business owner moving your office, we can make it easier. We provide all kinds of moving options to make things easier, including packing services. Choosing to hire us to do the packing and unpacking will help you save a ton of time. Moving supplies. We give you access to the best moving supplies and packing materials to protect your things. An on-time move. No more worrying about delays or last-minute cancellations when you work with our on-time movers. Upfront pricing. An estimate from us gives you the accurate pricing you need to set your budget. Licensed and insured. We keep your things protected throughout the entire process of moving you to your new location. Whether you need to move across the country or just one state over, our team will make it simple for you. With professional movers, you save time, energy, and stress. Relocating is already a huge change and very overwhelming. We make the process much easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Demopolis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.